guys? We got another unboxing here from the Destiny 2 series. This one here is the chosen pin or the seal that you get for completing any said seal in any said season. Complete the quests down in the seal category, and when you get the seal, you now have the option to purchase from Bungie. Dollars, but it's a pretty cool pin that you get. Go ahead and open this up here and show you what you get here. Box always comes with a little thing. Quote says, "Congratulations, Cabal may eat the mountains and drink the seas, but the champions could not disprove your might on the battlegrounds, as you smashed every chest with the hammer of proving, and swept the war table clean of its rewards. And when the Glycans, raven whispers grew, you plumbed its depths to amass the scattered secrets of the dead man's tale. You have walked the path of the chosen to stand triumphantly for humanity. Enclosed is your commemorative pin for this remarkable achievement, Bungie." Pretty cool to do that. It comes in this nice little fabricy felt type box here. Up, it's got the seal in there. Pull back out. Size quite heavy. Back it says official chosen badge. Yep. Yeah, these things are pretty cool. So anybody who's into, collecting stuff from Destiny or any games, this is pretty awesome to have. I have quite a few of them, and I think they're totally worth it. All price to pay to show off all the achievements you've done. Some of these are not easy to get. They have very, very, very difficult requirements to complete the in-game, especially anything that requires PvP. Take quite some time to actually unlock. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Stay tuned for the next one coming soon. Thanks a lot, guys.